Welcome to Earni Tutorials, your quick guide to making NDIS business admin faster and easier. Earni is your smart, all-in-one mobile app built for support workers and providers to help you manage your clients, scheduling, invoicing, and cash flow, as well as power through your NDIS admin with ease. Less admin, less stress, more time back for yourself. Earni is the easier way. If you haven't got the app yet, just head to earni.au, download and start streamlining your workday today. Today we're going to show you how to add in your first client and set them up completely. Everything links within Earni, which saves you heaps of time. Before we start, make sure you've set up your company and account details and communication preferences first. Check out our video on how to do this, as this will make moving forward a lot simpler and smoother for you. To add a new client, once you're in the Earni mobile app, from the bottom menu, tap Clients, then the purple plus sign to add a new client. Add in their name, email, and phone contact details. And if you know it, add in their NDIS number and select whether they're plan or self-managed. If they're plan managed, you can start to type in the first few letters of the plan manager's name and select them from the options. The plan manager's details will auto-fill within Earni for you. Tap Save, and now you've added your first client. Once your client has been added, you can now see them listed under the Client section. Tap into the client and here you can edit any of their details. Add in their address, and here you can also pre-fill default travel distance for your client appointments. This will then link to any appointments and invoices for that specific client. At the bottom, if there's a contact person for that client you'd like to store details for, such as a family member, you can add them here too. You can also archive the client should you stop servicing them in the future without losing all of their information. If you would like this particular client to give you a review and provide feedback, you can send off a request to them here. Once you've added an advert in the provider lookup through your Earni Premium subscription, your reviews from clients will display there. If we head back to our main client page and tap Preferences, here you can set up email and notifications for both yourself and your clients. If you've already set this up as your main communication preferences, these will be pre-selected. However, it gives you the option to change anything for this particular client. Under Goals, if you're on Earni Premium, you can note any goals that your client has discussed with you, keeping you on track of their progress and giving you the feature of generating an end-of-plan report. Under Service Agreements, this is where any specific service agreements between you and your client will be stored if you're on Earni Premium. Check out our other tutorials on how to create a service agreement. Under Invoices, any invoices drafted, submitted, or paid for this particular client will be saved in your Invoice Hub. Any details about your client or an appointment for them links directly to their invoices and auto-populates all the information for you. Under Calendar, you can see future appointments you have with this particular client all in the one list, so it's easy to plan ahead. The Clients section within Earni is so connected that you can see everything relating to the work you provide for each of your clients all in the one screen, saving you time, hassle, and stress. Everything you need is now all in the one place.